welcome to my channel. Kembali lagi dengan saya di Fine Channel. Oke guys, kali ini aku akan review spion bulat klasik yang biasa disebut dengan spion Jokowi. Kenapa spion ini disebut dengan spion Jokowi? Karena spion ini dipakai oleh Bapak Presiden Jokowi Dodo. Nah, disitulah spion ini disebut spion Jokowi, karena dipakai orang nomor 1 di Indonesia. Saking kerennya spion ini sampai dipakai oleh Bapak Presiden Jokowi Dodo. Seperti apakah spion ini? Langsung aja kita review spion Jokowi ini. Oke guys, ini dia spionnya yang saya sebut dengan spion Jokowi yang dipakai oleh Bapak Presiden Jokowi. Saking kerennya spion ini, Bapak Jokowi juga sampai pakai ke motornya ya. Seperti apa bentuknya teman-teman? Langsung aja kita buka ya. Bayangin, orang nomor 1 aja memakai spion model begini. Kalau nggak keren, nggak mungkin dipakai dong ya. Ini teman-teman spionnya. Halusnya teman-teman. Ini ya, kita lihat ini. Untuk spion Jokowi ini dia ada 2 varian ya teman-teman. Ada yang kaca putih, ada yang kaca biru juga ya. Dan mereknya banyak juga teman-teman. Kalau saya review sekarang itu merek MGV teman-teman ya. Ada juga dia merek Modis, MSX dan lain-lainnya juga ya. Ya paling dominan saya lebih ke MGV ya teman-teman, karena bahannya juga bagus ya teman-teman. Yang saya perlihatkan ini merek MGV. Mungkin nanti saya akan perlihatkan yang merek Modis, tapi dia sedikit berbeda ya teman-teman dari yang MGV ini. Dia bedanya dia lebih panjang di sininya. Dia full hitam ya teman-teman. Nah, kalau spion ini persis yang dipakai oleh Bapak Presiden Jokowi Dodo ya. Nah, kalau ini yang saya perlihatkan kaca putih. Isinya apa aja teman-teman? Nih, saya perlihatkan. Ada kaki-kakinya juga. Jadi kaki-kakinya yang buat pasang di motor teman-teman ya, kayak gini nih. Nah, untuk
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored?